Video number 2 on the Chevy 3500 heavy duty. And I just ran out of a little bit of refrigerant as I was filling this, but I'm only filling it for testing because I wanted to know the condition of the compressor, condenser, the orifice tube. I can't take a high side reading on here on the liquid line because this line that looks like it's a liquid line is actually a vapor line after the orifice tube. And the orifice tube is located right at that fitting, right before that fitting. So if you look at the line, there's no water, no sweat on that line, but as you come up, you see it starts to get wet. The orifice tube is located about 2 inches below the wet line, an inch below the wet line, and then this is where the gas is flashing off and getting wet. That's where it's now a vapor getting cold. So I'm not going to take off the grill to hook up to get my sub-cooling. I don't care. Look at right here. This is supposed to be 900 grams. I ran out of refrigerant at 765 grams. We're sitting here at idle. We're in the sun. It's 76 degrees. And at 76 degrees with this compressor on this truck with these ambient conditions, and we're supposed to be 900 grams of refrigerant, we're only 765. Here's our high side pressure. Here's our low side pressure. Our duct dash temperature right now is 37 degrees coming out of the dash. Our suction line temperature is 28 degrees coming out of the dash. So here's our suction line temperature. We got ice. We got ice. We got plenty of ice. We got ice galore. We have no shortage of ice. So let's see what our discharge temperature is. So we'll take what would normally think is a liquid line down there, but it's not. And we will see what our compressor discharge temperature is. Compressor discharge temperature. Okay. Oh, let me take the case temperature. It's cool, but not cold. Let me get the nasty thermometer that should not be used for taking duct dash temperatures. When you look right into it, hey, where is it? Oh, there we go. So right now I'm grabbing the infrared thermometer, and this is another temperature I should give you to look at when there we go. Oh, I have to use my, never mind, I have to use the Testo app on my phone or my laptop or my tablet, what I left at home. So we'll kill that one, but putting my hand right here, I would say the temperature of the case is probably about 60 to 70 degrees. Putting my fingers on the temperature of the case right now. So the case temperature is very low. It's lower than our ambient temperature right now because it's getting so much cooling back to it. This is not a good situation. Eventually the evaporator will turn to a block of ice and airflow will cease. But I'm only putting refrigerant in it for testing the compressor and doing leak checks on everything else. Oh my god, that feels so good. And then I'm sucking this refrigerant back out, and I'm going to change the valve on video number 1 that we seen that was leaking. There's still some more things. Got to see if the customer wants to go for the clutch gap adjustment that needs to be taken in, and this will give me ample time to test that case. I'm suspicious about that case, and we'll see if it lasts a little bit of run time here. That's it.